special weather statement. For the following counties: Wayne. Strong thunderstorms will impact Wayne County through 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Ypsilanti, or near Belleville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Romulus, Harper Woods, Westland, Livonia, Inkster, Dearborn, Wayne, Melvindale, Dearborn Heights, and Garden City. Precautionary/preparedness actions: if outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Wayne. Until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking severe thunderstorms along the line extending from Romulus to Livonia, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source: radar indicated. Impacts: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Garden City at 3:50 p.m., Livonia at 3:55 p.m., and Redford at 4 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Romulus, Harper Woods, Westland, Livonia, Inkster, Dearborn, Wayne, Melvindale, Dearborn Heights, Garden City, and Farmington Hills. This includes the following highways: Interstate 96 between mile markers 175 and 180. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Detroit/Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for north central Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed destructive tornado was observed near Livonia, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impacts: flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Livonia at 3:55 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 96 between mile markers 175 and 177. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeat, a tornado warning is in effect until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Wayne.